Introducing the powerful and luxurious 2020 Volvo Xc90 2.0 T8, R-dsgn with 390B horsepower and AWD. This stunning vehicle, finished in grey with a 2-litre engine, is packed with comfort and safety features such as ambient lighting, satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning. With only 78,000 kilometers, this Xc90 is in pristine condition and comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this opportunity to drive away in style and security. Contact us at Joe Norris Motors or visit our website for more information.